Imagine this. Beneath the sands of the Oregon coast, hidden from sight, lies a secret that only appears when tides align. A forest that hasn't felt the sun in over 2,000 years. This is the Ghost Forest, a haunting remnant of ancient Sitka spruces, standing like sentinels against the crashing Pacific waves. These stumps aren't just driftwood or petrified remains, they're relics of a lost world, preserved for centuries by salt and sand. They once stood over 150 feet tall, their roots anchored in a thriving coastal forest. A forest that vanished long ago. But what happened to this forest? Some say a powerful earthquake or tsunami swallowed it. Others believe shifting sands buried it over time. Either way, these stumps remained hidden for millennia, until storms in the late 1990s uncovered them once more. Now, as the ocean reshapes the coastline, this petrified wood is slowly disappearing, eroded by the same waves that revealed them. At high tide, these sentinels vanish beneath the waves. At low tide, their weathered forms rise again. The trees may be gone, but in a way, these stumps have found new life. Barnacles cling to the rough surfaces, tide pools gather in their hollows, and seabirds find refuge among their ancient roots. Even in decay, life continues. There's something humbling about being among these ancient remains, silent witnesses to time, standing long before us and enduring long after we're gone. When you visit, take a moment, stand still, feel the wind, and listen. Because the Ghost Forest has stories to tell. If you enjoyed this journey, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves exploring the Oregon coast. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.